You need to smile every day now.
We are extremely happy to have amongst us Kethen Vaz, son of Edwin Vaz and Linda Fernandez, who is with us. The achievement has been really spectacular. Being Grandmaster at the age of 14, currently India's youngest Grandmaster, and the journey to becoming Grandmaster has not been an easy task. Now it is not a first time that we are felicitating Kethen. We had seen the promise in this boy, the potential in this boy for a couple of years. A group of friends have on different occasions felicitated him for his achievements, some of which have been in the Commonwealth Games, at the Asian level, and of course at the national level. But the dream of everyone, including his parents and his well-wishers, was that he should become Grandmaster. And that finally was clinched recently in Serbia, where he participated. And today is a great honor for each one of us, group of friends, citizens for democracy, his well-wishers, the state of Goa and the nation. The Chief Minister had recently felicitated him, but still the message has to go loud and clear that this sporting personality has a bright future, provided support pours in. Support must come. It's not been easy for him, resources wise, to walk this journey. His parents know how difficult it has been. From the government side, support comes or doesn't come. But if it comes after you win something. But in the process, hardly any people take notice. The process is more difficult. So that is where I would personally say to the Goans at large in Goa, our diaspora, that they should look to supporting him, and one day we look forward to see him as the world champion. That will be the greatest honor that we all would get through him, and we wish him all the best. So I have Edwin Vaz, his father. I would request him just to briefly talk about.
Basically, it's a journey that has no set path. Okay, there are lakhs of chess players who try to become Grandmaster, and most of whom are never able to accomplish the goal. So that is, something that many people don't understand the level of this achievement. So in fact, there are a few steps towards this journey, like the International Chess Federation, what is called FIDE, assigns these titles to chess players based on their level of play. And there's a huge effort that goes into each level. It starts with Candidate Master, then FIDE Master, then International Master, and eventually the Grandmaster. And Grandmaster is the highest title awarded by the International Chess Federation. Beyond that, there's no title. And as far as competitive chess is concerned, it is the World Championship that people aim for, which is not one of the titles that is given by International Chess Federation, because Grandmaster is the highest title. World Championship is the ultimate goal in competitive chess, and that is what Kethen is going to aim and strive for going forward. As far as Kethen's achievement is concerned, it is also pertinent to mention that he is currently the youngest in India and the second youngest currently in the world. And when we compare being the youngest, we have to also make a note that the current youngest Grandmaster in the world has complete backing from his country. He's from Argentina. They call him the Messi of chess. His country has fully sponsored him with 5 international Grandmaster coaches dedicated to his training over the years. He has been fully sponsored to relocate to Spain so that he can play all these international Grandmaster tournaments. And this is the kind of competition that we are competing with without having that level of support. So when when Elvis says there's a lot of support that is needed, it is support that is at a level where we cannot even open our mouth to request for such support given the current circumstances and what support has been coming along. Having said that, we are very grateful to whoever has supported us along the way. Gino, it's okay? Time is okay? We are very grateful to Gino for having supported Ethan for the last 4 years, without which we couldn't have possibly dreamt to take him on this journey at this rate. We are also very grateful to his school, the King's School, without whom it wouldn't have been, without which it wouldn't have been possible to pursue these tournaments in the first place. We are also grateful to many other sponsors like Group E4, Help Chess Foundation, Chessways India, and Chola Chess Academy. And most of all, we are grateful to all our donors through Ethan's crowdfunding campaign. That's where all our friends come in, and Citizens for Democracy and all its members and our friends have been very instrumental in supporting Ethan in this journey. Without this kind of support, we wouldn't have possibly been motivated to pursue Ethan's journey to this level, and for that we are very, very grateful.